Well, me and Quay is working on this. This is the newest investment on the channel, a skid steer. Everybody needs one of these. It should be everybody's dream, shouldn't it, Quay? He's hooking up a battery. Now, I don't know nothing about this. It was bought pretty much sight on the scene. And come and look at one of the issues we done got. I'm going to see if it will start. It's got water in the manifold. The exhaust is pretty much missing. It's missing the radiator. It's missing a lot of need to be does. And it cray. So we got a fresh battery and we don't know if it's locked up or not. I'm hoping that the water is just something new, because you know it's been passed by a couple of owners so far, and hopefully it's free and we can crank it over. I don't know how to turn fuel on this. Do you? Does it got a fuel tank?
Yeah.
Does it? What?
Over here.
I know nothing about these, Clay. I'm glad you've been around them.
Fuel filter over here.
Okay, I see the fuel filter. I can't see nothing that's in it. It looks like I need to buy that. The engine looks clean though. That's an old can. That can important? I don't think it's got fuel in it. If it did, would it be any count? I don't know what a gas tank is. Oh, okay. Clay said it's on the side. Yeah, it is, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
No, that's hydraulic.
No, it's gonna be on this side.
Okay. Obviously, it takes diesel. Yeah, okay, I see it. It looks like a Jiffy can. It smells like diesel in it. Maybe try to get it started. Also, my tow truck was overheating. The thermostat stuck, and I had to dump it anywhere I could. And it kind of was off center, and it kind of hit the parts car. If you need any parts, by the way, for a Camaro, it's being parted out on the eBay store. Link in the description. Hey, how we start this big bad boy?
We're gonna try to find. You got any old keys?
Old keys?
There's no keys in it.
There ain't no keys. What kind of key do we need?
Let's get any old Ford keys or Chevy keys or looks like they're like a longboard key.
Can we just cross it over?
We could, but
Hot wire it? Where's the key switch at? Oh, I see it right there. I have to buy a key switch too, won't I?
yeah.
So I should be making a list.
Let me get. I think I have a set of keys there.
Well, this video will be my list. We need a key switch and a fuel thing. And you say you got, how do you turn the fuel on? Is it just automatic? Or does it got a shut off?
There's a lever somewhere. That's what I'm trying to look for.
A lever.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hit your throttle. It shuts off with your throttle.
Well, if you're watching this video and you own a skid steer, comment below some tips on this. I have none. Oh yeah, that's good. It has thermostat thing. Thank you. I was worried that this would just set with just pure water in it, and the box just shit. That would suck. And I don't know what this is. Yeah, it's gonna be a learning experience for sure. The most important part, it needs to work. Then we can start fixing the little stuff in it, right, Clay? If it works, fine. Then we'll fix tires, and then we'll fix hoses if it needs it. I guarantee it's gonna need hoses. It's probably gonna blow them as it go. Every piece of old equipment I have seen, usually if it's been sitting a long time, when you start using it again, the hoses go. I don't know if it's really sad or it's just age on the hoses. Get over here, Clay.
How about that? My keys to my skid steer that I had works. Perfect.
That's a tip, ain't it?
And here's your throttle.
Well, what do I need to do? It didn't crank over. Oh, you got a lock brake to start it.
Yep.
Okay.
That's what I'm looking for.
Which brake in the middle, ain't it? I see a big flat thing here. That's something. That's a generator. That came with it. It's a air compressor motor, sir. You threw it in my seat. What if you tear my seat?
I think it's already. Let's see.
Lock brake to start. So are they a switch down there we can just cross over or something on the brake?
Yeah. We need to see if we have power.
We need to see if we have power. Oh. What for?
It's the one terminal won't go completely on there.
Well, let me go get vice grips. Flammable brake clean, not starter fluid, but it should work. And this is gonna be my first experience. I don't do diesels, so yeah. Clay does though. Also, you know, I ain't never worked on a skid steer, but that truck right there about costed us a motor unloading this because that had a thermostat stick. Brand new thermostat, been in there about a year or so. Still looks brand new, but stuck completely shut. Did it turn over? Oh, water.
Nope. All right.
Still nothing at the key, Clay.
Well, it could be those fuses.
They fuses up there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Let's see.
What we hunting for, Clay? Oh, that's the air filter. I didn't know what that canister is. I see now. It's got a twisty thing, Clay. Can you take the screwdriver and twist it?
Maybe.
I want to get a lot of WD-40 for this project. A case of it. Anyway.
Oh, yeah. No. Put on those things. There we go.
Add the water. Them pistons are full of water.
Mm-hmm.
She ain't hitting, Clay.
No. We need to start fluid.
We should got some today. I smell diesel.
A lot of water.
I need to pour oil straight down them fucking cylinders, don't I?
I don't know about oil. Maybe a little Marver mystery oil.
Marvel Mystery oil, yeah.
Mhm.
Then blow it out before we start it.
Yeah.
Because that's the exhaust.
We need to figure out where that goes.
What?
Is that an oil line, maybe?
Anybody watching, what does this line here go to? Radiator?
Oil cooler. Built into the radiator.
Maybe. Something, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
Because that's what this is for, ain't it?
This is your hydraulic, I
Filter.
believe. Filter.
This ain't plugged in, right?
Watch yourself
It hit.
there. Almost.
Battery get weak.
Yeah.
It ain't got many cranking amps, that battery don't. It hit.
Yeah.
I think it hit.
Sounds like it did.
Yep.
Maybe some good starting fluid.
We're about 5 minutes from the store.
Yeah.
Another day, another time. So it hit. That's a plus, everyone. It hit. Now, is it going to smoke? It might clean the cylinders up. Might clean up good, mightn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Most likely, it's going to smoke like a choo-choo train. But hopefully not. Hopefully the cylinders come back and it comes back alive and it's a good piece of equipment. You know, but them cylinders a little iffy. But a man can always rebuild this motor.
Well, that motor sounds good.
Sounds good.
Sounds real good.
Just keep oil in it.
Yep. Can't find it. We'll find it. It goes to your camp.
Does it?
Yeah.
Well, I can tell you right now, I think we need a hose.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.
Might as well get some hoses. Get an exhaust. I'll just buy exhaust for it. Buy a radiator. It sounds good. It cranks over. I gotta fix this. This has got to be covered.
Mm-hmm.
So get out the coffee cans. If you didn't know, coffee cans will fit around that just perfect. I need to cover that hydraulic line though. I guess that's what we needed for the one thing. I don't know what that is.
Well, it tells you when your filter's bad.
Oh, I think it's bad. What do you think?
Maybe.
Sounds fine to me.
Yep.
Got plenty of compression too.
Oh, she does have some gold plugs.
Does it got gold plugs?
Right here.
Okay.
It's like that Mercedes of mine.
In the comment section below, if you dealt with any of these, please leave, recommendations for us to go from here. This is my first one I ever dealt with. Craig's been around them before, but it always helps when people give us suggestions, as we can, we might overlook something. And, a lot of stuff due to it. So we're probably overlooking, like, the whole thing. Yeah. It was affordable. If you didn't know, it was affordable. I think I overpaid a little high. I've tried to get it a lot cheaper, but they come down half, and I took it. So, what's these running? 4,000 to 7,000 for one this old. By the time I fix this one, I might have 10,000 in it.
Maybe.
Yeah, just probably been cheaper buy one running. That's something you might ought to look at. You want a project like this, an old piece of equipment. It's fun to fix back, but once they get run down, this one was pretty much scrapyard material almost. Once they get run down, they can get expensive. Same with rollbacks and stuff. I've been through it with equipment before, but this is my first skid steer and my first diesel piece of equipment. So I'm excited. Every other thing I own been gas. So thank you for watching. Get subscribed. Let me know what you excited for on this. It's going to be probably a summertime project. I ain't going to sink a lot into it right now, but we might get the main things to just see if it's going to start, because that's important. And then we go from there later this summer. Yeah. So thanks for watching. See you next time.